a beautiful evening. Oh my god. What the hell you got there?
Got a track box.
I don't know if that's the best thing I've seen or the most stupidest thing I've seen. But our entire track, what is that? Is that a pushchair?
It's like a dog pushchair.
Right.
For when the dog was a puppy, it has a little cage on it. So
do you know what? I think it's genius. Should we go set up?
let's go.
Let's go. There he is, doing his thing. I've got to just let him do it. If I get involved in it, he starts getting all annoyed and everything. So we've got like the kind of straight down here. Obviously we just use go-kart tyres, to be honest. We've got a mate who's go-karter, and he gives us all of his go-kart tyres. Nice. Alright, talk me through the track, what we've got going on here then.
Well, we've got the fast straights around the back. I'll tell you, let me do a lap.
Do a lap.
TK10.
This car is what is it again?
This is the PD Racing TK10.
Right.
And it's...
we've got a bit of wind, I might have to put the old thing in. Oh, it does it's partial to a wheelie then.
It likes a wheelie.
Right, now we've done bash videos before. I wouldn't say this is a bash video, I'd say this is a race video. Reason we don't do many bash videos is none of you lot like to watch them because you're all racers, and I respect that. But if you want to go and have a good race in your local field at the moment, you need something with big wheels. This is the Corally Kagama 4, which is an amazing, beautiful car. We're running the old Z Lipo. Carly's racing the PD Racing TK10. These are both quite similar cars. I think that one's got more speed over this one. I don't know yet until we, start going around this makeshift track of ours. So, let's give it a go.
Recording now?
It's recording.
Cool.
Right, race number 2. We swap cars. Right, so what's the deal then?
5 laps.
You go off.
And you've got to get past me without contact.
I've got to get past you without contact then, go on then. Oh, come on. Come on.
I think I'm going to take the win on that one. Oh yeah, you can't full throttle it at all. But saying that, this one now, I've got this thing soft away, soft on the throttle, and this thing's absolutely drifts around quite nicely. Oh, I think I won that.
Right, so we're halfway through the session. I'm using the Corally Kagama. You're using the PD TK10. Why couldn't they think of a better name for that car?
Well, the thing is, they had the TR10, but everyone called it the Trio.
Right.
So they thought they'd change the R for a K, and now it's not the Trio, and it's the 10.
All right. Listen, these cars are both similar. I'm just going to cut to the chase. This car here is faster than this car in a straight line, although they're both absolutely brilliant. They're both 4S. They're very, like I said, they're very similar. I should imagine that'll catch up if you was to put a big opinion on it. If you really want to do it. I would say that's more of your skate park basher. We don't do that, do we?
No.
No
that one to a pump track though.
This one went to a pump track. Yeah, you did alright with that, didn't you?
Some footage up of that at the pump track. It did alright.
Alright, yeah, but no one watched it.
No one watches our bash videos. But we're racing today. We're racing. Anyway, this one.
Yeah.
When I took it to the pump track, obviously it was a concrete pump track, so I raised the shocks as high as I could get them. I bought it for some grass racing. I have lowered that as low as it goes, and that's probably why it's a little bit more planted than the Kagama, because it can go a little bit lower, and it seems really planted around the turns. Actually, I'm actually getting some traction roll at times.
Yeah, but that's wild, that thing, wild. But
wheelies,
that's really, I mean, they're both just great cars. I think
with this one though, if you have got that and you want to, if you're a beginner, on the back here, I'm on 100% because I'm like proper hardcore. I am
hardcore,
but you can have 75% or 50% throttle, so you can actually dumb it down. In fact, we do a lap now just to see the difference. I'll do a 100% lap, a 75 lap and a 50 lap to see how much difference it makes.
Right, this car is now on 50%, which is quite good, because if you're going to get one and you've got a kid or whatever, then obviously you want to slow the thing down, to be quite honest. come on. Oh. So there you go. More manageable, but he's still absolutely terrible. It's not the car, I'd say it's the driver. Noting that the Kagama does also go down. Let me just grab this to 50%. The switch on the top there goes down to 50%. So you've got 50 and 100. Nice little handset, to be fair. Right, so let's just have a little butchers inside this car. So we've got a tub chassis. It's quite nice, although it does. It's held a bit of dirt in there, but that's quite nice in a way because, well, I was going to say it keeps the rubbish out. It clearly doesn't, does it? But a massive hench ESC there. But what its car does come with, as you see, is a heatsink and a fan, which you don't really get on the bashers and things like that. They're ready to run things and that, so there you go. But no, yes, it has got a centre diff, isn't it, over more to the rear of the car, but super cool, man, especially for what we use it for.
Same wheel length. This one might be a I think they're pretty evens, aren't they?
Yeah,
but where this one differs is it is slightly wider.
I think, as I probably mentioned in this video already, if you're a skate park basher, we are not, but if you are, that's the car you probably want to go with.
Do you know what I was thinking, boss? So I was thinking, obviously I'm liking the TK10 at the moment, but we are big fans of the Corally.
We are.
I think we missed a trick. Rather than get the Kagama 4, we should have got that new Synchro that's just come out.
New Synchro, yeah.
Now that is literally just being released. It is. They're billing it as an entry level 1/8 buggy. We'll put some footage over the top of this, but I think for what we do here, the little grassroots stuff, make your own track sort of thing, that's an ideal starter.
It really, really is. There's less to go wrong on a car like that. The price point, I think, is pretty good on it as well, and you can't knock Corally when it comes to durability. So
it's probably a good start. But I'll tell you what, I've just put a new battery in. So should we put the cameras away and just go have a play?
All right then. So we didn't put the cameras away. We kept them rolling until it got dark. But here's a little bit more footage of both of these cars going around. They were absolutely faultless. Great cars, both of these. Highly recommend them both. Really good bashers and good racers. Like I say, we don't normally do kind of skate park. It's not really what we do, but grass racing, things like that, we are all over that. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want any more information on these cars, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas what you want us to do, put it in the comments. Right. Do you know how we look proper weird, right? Don't you think? But
what, playing at the park with toy cars, or me with my my new buggy? Do you like my new buggy?
Yeah. Do you know what the thing is with 2025? We don't quite have smell-o-vision, but if we did, you would smell
the first barbecue of the year.
Somebody over there is having a barbecue. We have had a great session here, and you can just see the track. Look at the track, see? So both cars absolutely brilliant. We got the PKTK10, which was amazing. PD TK10, sorry.
PD racing.
And then we got the Corally Kagama 4, which is equally awesome. So what a great day we've had. I've got to go home now and cook the dinner.
I've got to go home and
what?
I've just got the wife and kids to entertain this evening.
Fair enough. Well, there you go. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding bell. We'll see ya on another video.